everybody.
We just got some very exciting magical mail from Elope. We're so excited to open them. They were very kind to send us some packages, and they looked on our Instagram pages and catered some surprises to us. We're not exactly sure what we're getting, so we figured we'd just jump right in and see some cool products that Elope has. So yeah.
Do you want to go first?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's massive. Oh my gosh, it's already a lot.
I'm so excited.
Oh my gosh, is this what I think? Oh my gosh. It's Tina Goldstein's hat from Fantastic Beasts. Oh my gosh, this is so cool.
Yes, a Tina cosplay is happening.
Oh, I guess there has to be a Tina cosplay in the future.
That's really cute.
That is so good. Oh, I'm so excited. Yay!
Yeah, okay, my next.
Oh,
I get to go next. It looks so, there's already like purple stars and everything everywhere, so. Okay, first item is this.
What is it?
It's purple and it has gold and it's sparkly.
What's your favorite color and aesthetic?
It is like, oh, it's a hood.
Oh my god! Oh, I love it!
Oh my god.
Oh, it's like a wizard hood.
I'm so wizardy.
You're super wizardy?
Am I like Winifred Sanderson? But
yes!
like...
I love it.
This is the Wizard Alchemy hood in purple.
Oh, beautiful. That's so cool. I was secretly hoping I would get this. It's the Bobaton's hat! I'm gonna cry. Holy.
That's so cute.
Um,
And it's like hard. Like it's got
the quality of it is so beautiful.
yeah.
And just like Tina's hat, they're both like very structured hats, which I appreciate. Their quality. Yeah. 'Cause some hats, especially like this type of hat, sometimes you can find them, they're kind of flimsy. But both
Bilbo's really excited too.
yeah, our
by the
dog
way.
is very excited. But both of these hats are very structured and gorgeous. Can we just take a minute here? Okay, I feel like I'm done, but I'm not, which is very exciting.
Oh, I don't have this. I'm surprised I don't. This is Newt Scamander's
Oh,
bow tie.
yay! And you don't have it. Oh,
And I don't
that's so
have it. I
cool.
really don't.
Oh,
yeah, and it's a full
yay.
bow tie that like clips in the front. And so I just made my own, but this is definitely more like the screen accurate version. So
And it's from the first movie.
first movie, yeah.
Oh, with the blue coat.
Very nice.
Yay.
Oh, it's like they know us.
It's like they looked and saw like, everything that we wanted. We did not tell them.
Oh no, we didn't make any requests. This is all just them.
Which I am so excited about. Oh my gosh.
This is another hat.
I prefer my head.
Oh, it's so cute.
I have like a Disney bound in my future. Look at it.
Aw.
It's Minnie Mouse. Oh my
the
gosh.
little flower. That's adorable.
This is freaking adorable. Yeah, the little flower is so cute. It just pokes right up there. And I love it because it's very like old-timey Minnie Mouse, and that's like totally my thing. I could totally see like a cute little pin-up style dress with those at Disney World, so let me just
Okay.
wear it for a little bit.
Next thing, something that looks Slytherin-y. Yes, Slytherin beanie hat. It looks, we got lots of headwear going on.
It looks cute with your hair.
Reppin' my second house. Some Tom Riddle look going on there, I think.
Love it. It's
Nice.
super cute.
Nice, yeah.
I could
it's got-
totally see like a punk Dark Death Eater cosplay. Like
It's got like a Slytherin going on right
I
there.
could totally see that with like a leather studded jacket or something.
What's next?
I'm so excited.
Oh, yay!
Oh, it's a Hufflepuff! And yes, thank you for sending me the vintage one because it's my favorite style of all of them.
So it has
it's
Hufflepuff.
soft.
Oh, it has the Hufflepuff instead
has a
of the Newt
badger.
Scamander logo.
It's very soft too. Oh, Oh, I love this.
Yeah, I really like the Hufflepuff leather patch on it.
Yeah, I do too.
Makes
that
it
really
look-
sets it off.
yeah.
And I like that it's kind of it's a little bit thinner than a lot of like some scarves I've seen.
Mm-hmm.
I really like this. It also seems very warm. It's very beautiful quality too.
Next is a wand. So this is Newt Scamander's wand.
It's beautiful.
There we go. Newt Scamander's wand.
Yay!
Very, very cool and shiny. So it's in this great packaging with all like the Fantastic Beasts stuff on it. And then the wand is inside and it looks really
So
cool.
cool.
It's very lightweight. It definitely doesn't feel like it has like the metal rod in it that most of the like Noble Collection wands have. It's very, very lightweight, very thin.
Easier for cosplaying.
Yeah, it's a lot easier for cosplaying because if you drop this, like this isn't gonna like chip and shatter all over the edges like the resin wands do.
Yeah.
So this would probably be a lot more cosplay friendly. So it looks very nice. It's got the kind of the nicks and scratches in it and everything like he has in his movie. So yeah.
I love it.
Very, very
It's
cool.
so cool. Okay, me next.
You're next.
Another future Disney
okay.
bound. I have a Walt Disney World trip in our future. It's Princess Jasmine. How cool! That is her headband and necklace. Oh, cute! Oh, yeah, because her necklace is the gold one, and then her headband. That is so pretty. Oh, and it's got a beautiful gemstone. I love it.
So this is the 1920s
Get out! Get out! No!
Slytherin robe. So you have this, the Hufflepuff
I have
version.
it and I love it.
And so now we have a Slytherin to go with it.
Shut the heck up.
This is a very warm robe. You could use this as a bathrobe. It's very warm. So probably not good for the summer month cosplays, but for the winter month cosplays, this would be very comfortable. But it's got like the different patch
Oh,
from the movie.
I haven't seen this other one. That's so cool.
And then the clasp on the front is different, like the chain.
And this is quality, y'all. It is warm. I know because I wore the Hufflepuff one at Wizarding World. Michael's like, it probably wouldn't be good for summer. I'm like, I wore that when it was like 80 degrees and humid out, so I don't care. I was feeling fabulous, so
Also
that's
has
all
a
that matters.
Wand pocket. Very important.
That is very important.
So yay, so I'm not a Slytherin, but I still love this robe.
Even though you're not a Slytherin, you cosplay like all the Slytherins.
I do cosplay a lot of Slytherins, so I think I need like a 1920s Death Eater or something like that. So this would be really, really cool.
That is so cool. I just saw this pattern and I'm already dying. Get the heck out! What?
That's so cute.
It is a Luna Lovegood Spectre Spec scarf.
Precious.
Hold on, I have to put it on.
Oh, that's so cute.
Like, can we even just say how cute this Spectre Spec scarf is? If y'all know anything about me, my favorite character is Luna Lovegood of all time, and so this just makes my whole life. It is beautiful. Oh, there's stars on it. It is so beautiful, and I've never seen this before.
No.
I love it.
I know what this is.
What? That's so beautiful.
So this is Elope's Newt Scamander vest. And it's very screen accurate, I would know.
It's extremely screen accurate.
So it's got his little welt pockets right there, and then the buttons, and the back has the yellow ribbon tie on it. I even use a similar fabric on mine, so this is beautiful.
It is perfect.
Lovely. Very cool. Thank you.
It's amazing. I may need to switch scarves because there's another one and it's beautiful. It's a Middle Earth map scarf. What the heck? I am so excited. I love this. Okay, I have to try this one too. I'm legit going to have a Hobbit party, living my best life in this scarf. Oh, I'm so obsessed. It is beautiful and it's ginormous. It is so big and beautiful. My favorite thing in the fall is just to like have a sweater, have a scarf, outfit, done. Love it. Yay! Thank you.
Oh, look. Oh, it's like a little cloak. We were just talking about this. This is just an elven cloak.
Get out. You're about to live your best life.
Best elven life.
If we were Lord of the Rings characters, I would be a hobbit, Mike would be an elf. That is for sure.
It's got 2 ties in the front like that. And it's like the same material as the other robe. So it's beautiful. And it's got this cool like front piece on it. This is really awesome. I love like the little strappies.
Oh my god.
And then it ties. So this is like, this looks really cool.
Are you feeling your look?
I'm feeling my look.
Is this everything you've ever wanted to be
I want to be
life?
an elf wizard. That's all I've ever wanted.
Done. Thanks, Elope, for making
Elope.
Dreams come true.
This is great. I love these the leather straps. That's a really cool, and like the thing across the front. That's a really cool piece. And I'm already warm. I could go over an icy mountain.
It's like basically a blanket. Can I borrow it? Like, can I just
Yes,
live
for
my
work.
best?
You could like type in this. I love it. This is so
Sundays.
cool. Thank you. This is great.
Yay!
I know what that is.
Oh, yes.
I recognize this.
You recognize this. Gandalf scarf! Oh my god. And it's sparkly. It's
Yeah.
beautiful.
In the book, his scarf was described as like a silvery scarf.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah.
Oh, then look at that. It's actually silvery and has sparkles in it.
Uh-huh.
I love it when, like, people get the details right.
Yeah.
That is so cool. I love
Bring
it.
it over your head.
Yeah,
Okay,
I was
there you
trying
go.
to get it on. Well, we do have a Gandalf cosplay.
If you haven't seen it,
It's magical.
follow us on Instagram.
This is absolutely stunning! I love Lord of the Rings. This is so exciting. Yay! Thank you. And I got the Hufflepuff headband! And it's got a patch on it.
Cute.
Oh, it's so cute. This is like everyday look.
This is like everyday look.
Well, I know, you're loving that look a lot. Look at that. Everyday Hufflepuff.
Oh my gosh. Too much.
This is like insanely nice, y'all.
You got a nice Elope hanger too.
I'm really gonna cry.
What?
I cosplay Queenie on the regular, but I've always wanted to cosplay Tina and do really cute pictures with Michael when he's Newt. But I never had the Tina costume.
And now
I have the code and it's perfect. Oh my gosh, look. Y'all. Like, can we appreciate the little cuff on the sleeve, how detailed that is?
I think the part that I appreciate most is the stitching on the back collar,
That is detail
which
right
is very
there.
similar to Newt's coat, but hers is the same, so it like connects them.
If y'all didn't know, because
Little
we've watched
costume
the
details.
costumes a lot, we've looked at those costumes a lot, that they have a very similar style when their coats are made, and hers is made the exact same way the back of his coat's made. And so, because they're heart and love. Get ready for all the ship pictures. Oh my gosh. Stop. Thank you. Like, thank you. I can't get over how stunning this is. And can we talk about these buttons too? This is another like little detail. Like the buttons are exactly the same. Exactly. I can't wait to put together this cosplay, and all the stuff that we got has been absolutely incredible.
This is so great. Yeah.
Thank you, Elope.
Thank you, Elope. These are wonderful.
Thank you so much. If you don't already, please follow us on Instagram. That's where we do a lot of our Insta videos and post our cosplay pictures. Mine is at Hobbit Party.
I'm Michael R. Burson, and we're also going to link those below so that you can find us there.
Yes, and definitely be sure to follow Elope. Their Instagram is ELOPE.INC. Elope.inc, and they have incredible like Halloween costumes. It's like right around the corner.
So much.
And they have incredible cosplay costumes. If you're a cosplayer, like highly recommend, especially for quality. And thanks for watching. Thank you, Elope, and I hope everyone has a great day and keep the magic alive. Thank you.
Thank you.